That is scary. That.
Where you at?
Bro, what happened? It's like broken. I had to escape this.
I can't believe they finally added water physics. It's been so long.
But my game is like broken. It's like errors.
It's not broken.
That was epic.
The event. It's a part of the No Life event.
I haven't played this game in a while. But that was sick.
How do you buy it?
Look.
How much does it
So
cost?
I was in there.
Still
We
has
need to
the
go right
seven.
here.
Like,
There,
you
there.
made the game?
Teleport grenade.
Grab it.
Grab this. Grab this.
Well,
and throw
where's
it.
the
Grab this and throw
developer?
it. Grab this and throw it. I got you.
You guys are good help. Hey, who took my teleport? My teleport.
I really want the cat.
Hey, can I have one of those? Can I have one of those?
Guys,
Who wants to
I
go
hear
to the
something.
monster with me? Who wants to
What
go
does that
to the
mean?
monster with me?
Well, this is one away from what I know.
Does anyone want to go to the monster with me?
Sure, I will.
If y'all get this video
before we go to the monster, who wants
monetized,
to check out the lake with me?
I could maybe get
Hey, can you guys buy me a grappler?
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck?
$25
Hey,
and
can
buy
you
the
Guys,
cat.
there's a completely new monster.
It's just
Hey,
normal
can you buy me a grappler?
I can't really, I can't really.
New fan art, baby.
Do I
That's
want to die? No.
epic.
But do I have to die to get back? Yes.
My favorite
Hold up. I gotta go.
has
money.
to be
That's my
on
number one thing.
shoot. This one. They got me well.
Coming to your
All of them are good.
This guy's a newbie. I have to get him the noob.
Go there.
Hey, do you know where the newbie is? Newbie!
We can buy customized now.
Oh, this is
Guys, let's go to the
this.
new map.
The new map!
I'm gonna go to one of the revamped maps.
But I love how they revamped the whole game.
But that is new map. That is new map. That is a new map.
I always love the gimmick people on there.
People got this one.
This new revamp is
Hey,
fire.
well, where do we go? Back to
Oh.
the water physics.
Thank you. Okay. God,
I'm not going down there yet
Can we go to the new
because
map?
I am not prepared.
Wait, what new map? That new map
That's
over here.
serious.
Come here. What is that? Just get a rocket. Get to the
If you want to know where the new map is.
Yeah.
I already know where it is.
The one new item. It's the
Then you want to go there?
It's a teleport gun.
No.
Wait,
I'm gonna see. Is there any? Wait, you can buy.
You can buy customized now.
How do you
Watch
do that?
this.
Come here.
But this is sick.
You need a gun. Do you have an...
I'm gonna jump to see.
Yeah, get it.
I gave in the
Look, I have it. You can go like
This
this.
new update is actually
You have to tilt up. You have to tilt up.
I'm out.
And shoot. Shoot.
Oh,
Oh, come on. You were close.
bro, look at everything.
I need to, My crowbar
It's a planetarium.
is what I need.
Go.
I see planetarium.
I did the glitch. Hey, can you buy me a grappler?
Oh no.
Oh, come on. Those are grenades. Those are grenades.
Yeah.
Don't get along, but I'm not home. Do I make myself clear?
Yes. I need to go back up. Why is it flipping?
It's not like a little skill.
It's already killed. Ooh. Ooh.
Is someone crying? Wait.
There's new cosmetics and you can change your eyes.
Yay!
Eyes and then
Let me see the eye.
you can buy eyes. You can buy them with those coins.
We have to stare at him?
I'm too broke.
You're too broke. You need to go mining then.
Wait, you can get money that money for mining?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
the gold. Yep.
That's
and
gonna
go
be
to
my
the
life
market.
then. Where is
And
it?
then you can go to sewer. It's over here. You can go down there to sewers and mine. But
Sewer-
there's barely anything. Sewers don't have that much loot.
Did they remove the spider?
No, they didn't. They did not move the you know.
I'm getting out.
Why?
Why?
It. I have the phobia of spiders.
It's almost the
Only what? Well, dude, you have to face your fears.
You have to face your fears, dude. Someone
Someone will be with you, and plus it's even a game. Don't think it's real life, it's just a game.
I know, but like, it looks. I'm just too immersed. I'm just too immersed into the
But,
game.
dude, you have to go mining. Don't go to
scary areas.
don't go to like scary areas, and you can run away from the spider anyway.
Watch this. Where am I gonna
Everyone
land?
has like a lot of gold now because like it's a horror mode, dude. There's a new horror mode. You guys, how do we get out of there? Get out of what?
Wait, is it raining? I want to go outside. See ya.